he called. He said the word. Say, yeah, I'm talking now. Halo is getting to that age where he talking. I was vlogging and he called. He said the word dog. Because he was looking at the dog. Say dog. Say dog. 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 You nervous? Yeah, I gotta watch the vlog to see what he said, but he literally said dog. It's crazy. My son is talking already. Say Nick. Alright, look, that hurt. You slapped me too hard. You did. Don't slap me hard. You got heavy hands now. Huh? Still face. Mad face. Alright. Stop it, stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Mad face. Alright, stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Chilling like a villain, man. Yeah, I am exhausted. I'm barely getting any type of sleep. Just got back home. Been traveling. Y'all comment below. I know it's a lot of old people that, come on, Halo. My hair nasty. Don't bite my hair. You're not supposed to bite hair. All my old people that follow me on Snapchat, can y'all do me a favor and suggest me any vitamins that could possibly help me feel young again? Because I feel like I'm getting old. I don't know if y'all take vitamin D, vitamin C. What's some necessity vitamins? I think I'm going to go vitamin shopping today. I'm getting to that Joe Budden age. I got to start taking care of my health, going to the doctor regularly. So I'm moving around too much. I got to stay alive for 90 years so I can see you have grandkids. Right? Because you're going to have kids and then your kids going to have kids. You said you wasn't gonna make a mess, Halo. See how creative your Ddg is. Got a tank top as a high chair. Say thank you, Ddg.
You're welcome.
One bite.
Hi lovelies, everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are having Ddg and baby Halo in yet another new video. When you can see baby Halo playing with the dog, that is the dog, so you can see they literally have some good quality time. And I think baby Halo now got used to the dog and he likes it. on the face, on the facial expression, like he literally likes it, and maybe one day he'll literally get to have own one. And Ddg had to say, my son really talking already. Yeah, was saying dog, but maybe I literally captured that moment when it's already gone. Moments of babies literally come up suddenly. They will not notice, like, they will not inform you that we're going to say this. They will just say it and it will be done. So anyway, I love you guys. Comment down below, how do you find these beautiful exciting moments of Ddg and baby Halo whenever you get time, or baby Halo and the mom, or baby Halo and the whole entire family. Love you guys. Bye bye and ciao ciao.